Still dealing with Wi-Fi dead spot or weak Wi-Fi signal in your house? Before you spend more money in upgrading your internet plan, the problem might not be your internet. It might be how your Wi-Fi is set up. Just think about it. You're in your living room, your internet is fast, your signal is strong, and as you move around your house, your bedroom, your basement, and even in your backyard, you start to notice that your internet starts to slow down and your signal starts getting weaker. Chances are your Wi-Fi isn't reaching those areas. And that's exactly what a mesh Wi-Fi system is designed to fix. So today we're going to look at the TP-Link Deco BE14000 Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. And in this review, I'm going to show you whether it actually delivers a reliable Wi-Fi signal and speed throughout your home. So before we get into the setup, let's take a quick look on what you actually get with this system. This whole mesh Wi-Fi 7 system comes with 3 Deco BE68 units, and each unit supports up to 10 gigabits per second wired connectivity. But there's a lot more to this system than just the 10 gigabit connectivity. You also get the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology along with a whole range of networking and smart features that makes this more than just a Wi-Fi mesh system. It's actually a complete home networking solution. And what's included in the box are 3 power adapters, an included Ethernet cable, the reset pin in case you want to reset the Deco unit to factory defaults, a quick installation guide, and of course, the 3 Deco BE68 Wi-Fi 7 mesh system units. And when it comes to build quality, I would say TP-Link did an amazing job on this one. Instead of going with the usual box-type design, they chose to go with a cylinder design. The exterior of these devices is completely made of plastic and it has good airflow because of the vents on the top and at the bottom. But for me, the highlight of this hardware are the 3 Ethernet ports. On all Deco units, you will get 1 gigabits per second port, 2.5 gigabits per second port, and 10 gigabit per second port. The 10 gigabit connectivity is not something that you usually find on these mesh system devices. But please note, plugging in your device on the 10 gigabit per second port or the 2.5 gigabit per second port doesn't mean you will get that speed. The speed that you will get is still capped based on the internet plan that you have. And there's also a USB 3.0 port, which allows you to connect an external USB storage device to your Deco. You can then use that storage across your network for things like file sharing and media sharing, giving you a convenient way to access your files from convenient devices throughout your home. So how does this actually eliminate dead spots? Like most standard setup, you are relying on one router sitting in one corner of your house. But this Wi-Fi mesh system actually uses 3 separate units that work together as one network. You simply place them around your home so that Wi-Fi is always strong to where you actually use it. But I would recommend that you spread them out because this 3 unit can cover up to 8,000 square feet. And that's enough for most homes. But if you have a larger property or if you want to put Wi-Fi in your detached garage, you can always add another Deco unit so you can expand the coverage even further. Now you might be thinking, this is probably so complicated to set up. Well, it's a lot easier than you think. The first step to set up this Wi-Fi mesh system is to download the TP-Link Deco app, which is available for both Android and iPhone. After installing the Deco app on your iPhone, we're ready to go to the next step, which is to turn on the first Deco unit using the provided power adapter. As soon as you plug it in, it will automatically turn itself on and allow the Deco unit to complete its system boot process. You will know that it's ready for configuration once we see the flashing blue light. Please note that the boot process might take much longer compared to what I've shown in this review, so make sure you stay patient and wait for that flashing blue light. Now that we have the flashing blue light, it's time to open the Deco app. But before you start, make sure your phone has an active internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. And if you're using an iPhone, make sure to give the Deco app the permission it needs. The app should be able to find the Deco units automatically, but in case it doesn't, you can also scan the QR code under the device, which is another process to add and configure this Deco units. From here, you can choose to use AI Assistant or skip it. There's really not much of a difference in the process, so you can choose either way. The guided steps will also tell you when it's time to connect your Deco unit to your modem or to your router. And as you connect the Ethernet cable, make sure you use the 10 gigabit per second port. Then connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to your modem or to your router. Then hit next to continue and carefully follow the instructions as you go through the steps. I pretty much left everything to default setting until it got to the part where it's asking me for a Wi-Fi name and a password. Enter your preferred Wi-Fi name and the password that you want to use, then hit next to continue. I also left the automatic updates to its default settings, but you do have the option to skip the update schedule. But honestly, why would you? Keeping the firmware updated is important for security, stability, and performance. Now just wait for the configuration process to finish. You'll see the LED indicator on the decal unit change to green, which means the setup is almost complete. Once the settings have been applied, you'll get a prompt on your phone asking you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And when you see that prompt, tap Join to connect and wait for the confirmation that your decal network is now up and running. And that's how simple it is to configure the main unit of this decal Wi-Fi mesh system. This Wi-Fi mesh system also has the enhanced client identification feature that helps the decal network identify and categorize the devices connected to your network more accurately. Now that the main decal unit is up and running, this other two decal unit is much easier to configure. This other two decal units doesn't need to be connected to your modem. All you need to do is just turn them on. Simply place them where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Then use the included power adapter to turn them on. Once you see the decal unit's light indicator flashing blue, use the Deco app to add it to your network. You can either let the app detect the unit automatically or scan the QR code at the bottom of the Deco unit. The second and third Deco unit will communicate wirelessly with the main Deco unit, inheriting its settings and automatically joining the mesh network. That gives you one Wi-Fi name, one password, and one seamless Wi-Fi connection throughout your home. This Wi-Fi mesh system has a built-in AI roaming technology, which helps my devices stay connected to the Deco unit that can provide a better connection as I move around my home. And to show you how it works, right now I'm in my office and my phone is connected to the main Deco unit. But as I walk towards my bedroom, the connection from the Deco unit in my office becomes weaker, while the Deco unit in my bedroom becomes a better option. The mesh system helps my phone transition from one Deco unit to the other without me even noticing that the connection has been switched. Speaking of technology, what really sets this Wi-Fi mesh system apart is that it's built on the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard. The Wi-Fi 7 is designed to deliver faster wireless speeds, lower latency, and better performance, especially in homes with lots of connected devices. Now, Wi-Fi 7 is not just a new feature on its own. It's actually a collection of new technologies working together. The biggest improvement is the support for 320 MHz channel, compared to Wi-Fi 5 and 6 that can only support channel width of 160 MHz. Think of your Wi-Fi connection like a highway. The wider the highway, the more traffic it can handle at the same time. And with Wi-Fi 7 supporting 320 MHz channel width, that's twice the size. That gives your Wi-Fi 7 compatible devices a much wider path to send and receive data. Another improvement of the Wi-Fi 7 is the addition of the 4K QAM. This one allows each wireless transmission to carry more data, which helps improve the upload and download performance. And one last technology of the Wi-Fi 7 on this Deco device is the multi-link operation, or MLO. Compatible Wi-Fi 7 devices can establish multiple wireless links simultaneously, which may operate on different Wi-Fi bands. This can help maintain performance, reduce latency, and keeping a more reliable connection, especially in homes with lots of connected devices or when transferring large files. Enabling MLO on this Deco units creates a separate SSID for your MLO connection. But since I only have one device that is compatible with Wi-Fi 7, I just leave it off. And even if you don't have any Wi-Fi 7 compatible devices, that's okay. The Deco Wi-Fi mesh system can create a single Wi-Fi network that supports all three Wi-Fi bands, allowing your compatible devices to connect using the band they support. And with the Deco's AI roaming technology, your devices can transition between Deco units as you move around your home, helping you maintain a stable connection wherever you go. The Wi-Fi 7 features and technologies I presented are just part of many features of this Deco Wi-Fi mesh system. There's a lot more it has to offer, like the Alexa and Google Assistant integration, smart home device integration. You can also create a guest Wi-Fi, device isolation, a built-in VPN server, and a VPN client. It also has a basic parental controls and much more. When it comes to built-in security, it has a basic Home Shield protection, while the Home Shield Advanced Security and Advanced Parental Controls will require a subscription. This Deco Wi-Fi mesh system also gives you advanced network customization options, including static routing, port forwarding, and other settings for those who want more control over their network. There's one important thing to keep in mind. Many of these features will be disabled when you configure the Deco as an access point. Yes, this Deco system can also work as an access point, allowing you to keep your existing router in charge of your network while the Deco provides and extends your Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. And I think this is what most of you are waiting for, the speed test. I'm going to test both wired and Wi-Fi speed using my computer and my iPhone. I'll also test the Wi-Fi performance when the Deco units are communicating with each other wirelessly. And since most areas of my house have Ethernet wiring, I'll test them again using a wired backhaul. Now there's one important thing to keep in mind when looking at the speed results. My internet service has a maximum download speed of 1.5 gigabits per second and an upload speed of 1 gigabits per second, and those will be my internet speed benchmarks. Even though I'm connecting my computer to the Deco's 10 gigabit or 2.5 gigabit Ethernet ports, those ports don't increase the speed coming from my internet provider. So while the Deco is capable of much higher wired speeds, my internet speed test would not exceed the 1.5 gigabits per second download and the 1 gigabit per second upload speeds provided by my internet service. And when it comes to the coverage, TP-Link says the 3 Deco units can cover up to 8,000 square feet. Believe me, my house isn't even half that size, but I'm still using all 3 units. So I wanted to see just how far the Wi-Fi signal actually reaches. And based on my testing, I was able to get Wi-Fi throughout my entire property, from the front driveway through the garage, all the way to the backyard and even the back alley. At this point, I think my neighbor would be pretty happy with the Wi-Fi signal too, if I let them use my Wi-Fi. As you can see, the speed test results are pretty impressive, and it shows that this TP-Link Deco BE68 units are a great solution for getting the most out of the internet service that you're already paying for. It's easy to set up, it has wide coverage, improved wireless connection speed, and with all the features and new technologies that came with it, I think this is a very capable Wi-Fi solution for your entire home. And this TP-Link Deco BE68 Wi-Fi mesh system is definitely worth considering. So if you want to get one for yourself, I left the link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.